The main objective of the SeaStrains Workshop is to create a seaweed biobank network, the SeaStrains Working Group, whose mission will be to lead the transition from decentralized, poorly documented seaweed stock cultures to a centralized, easy accessible biobank network of genetically and phenotypically characterized seaweed strains. This transition will help promote food security and biosecurity, conserve biodiversity under the threat of climate change, and prevent the extinction of local strains. The workshop will also address the need for transparent and efficient knowledge transfer between the seaweed sector stakeholders and will discuss most effective communication streams for informing the public of the economic, societal, and ecological services which can be provided by seaweeds. The SeaStrains Working Group will consist of experienced experts and interested stakeholders throughout Europe. In order to complete this mission, the SeaStrains Working Group will develop strategies and recommendations for how to sustainably develop a European-wide genetic resource center of seaweed strains. There are 7 expected outcomes of the SeaStrains project. The first will be the establishment of the core SeaStrains Working Group during the SeaStrains Workshop. The second will be to define taxa of commercial interest and taxa that are under threat of climate change in Europe. The third is to identify the areas of highest importance for securing genetic seaweed resources. The working group will also publish a compilation of strains currently in European collections or scientific institutions or companies based on the provided data at the workshop for open access. The working group will also publish an opinion paper on safeguarding European seaweed genetic resources and prepare technical guidelines and standardized protocols for European seaweed biobanking. The SeaStrains Workshop will be held from June 27th to July 1st, 2022 at the Alfred Wegener Institute Helmholtz Center for Polar and Marine Research in Bremerhaven, Germany.